Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Cali White Vegan Teeth Whitening Kit with LED light, made in USA, natural organic peroxide gel, professional dental whitener, best home his smile system, 2x5 milliliters syringes, custom trays, retainer case. Absolutely love this product. Such a simple and easy way to get the smile you want. It also acts as a great dessert deterrent. Since you can't eat anything for 2 hours after, it helps curb those late-night cravings, keeping your teeth and waistline intact. The light automatically turns off after each 10-minute cycle, which is cool and easy for sticking to right time. It is an extra step or two than the strip method, but the point being that it shows results. The cap of the battery slot easily comes off, and the battery is loose, easily to fall out, which is a bit dangerous. You have to stick that thing in your mouth for 30 minutes, and walk around with drawl coming out of your mouth that you have to tip your head back to swallow it. You have to stick that thing in your mouth for 30 minutes, and walk around with drawl coming out of your mouth, or you have to tip your head back to swallow it. Absolutely love this kit. Tried other whitening kits, and they are to no avail compared to this one. To quote Doc Brown in Back to the Future, it means that this damn thing doesn't work at all. One customer asked at the QA, and you replied that it is 35 carbamide peroxide. Super easy instructions, and the 2 options for maximum preferred comfort is a great touch. Tried taking out the battery and putting it back in, tried pressing the button multiple times, and even holding it seems like it is now dead. This kit is superior as it works on the entire mouth, without irritating the gums. It's not as simple as the whitening strips, but the extra steps are worth the return. One of the mouthpieces fits directly onto the light, and has air holes so you can breathe through your mouth if needed. This little number works. You don't have to spend a lot of money to get a bite smile if you've the patience. Great product. Does the job, and the molding kit is very easy to figure out. The whitening process is comfortable, and the taste of the gel, which you inevitably do end up tasting, is not bad at all. It was fine at first, but after 4 of the 10 treatments the blue light stopped working. The amount of supply and results is well worth the money. 2 mouth-forming trays, and 2 tubes of whitener. It's kind of annoying wearing this for 3,040 minutes, but that's what it takes to reverse the damage of neglect. The mouthpiece is a little difficult to hold in your mouth for an extended time, 30 minutes, but other than that it's great. Always hesitant buying these types of products after trying so many different whitening teeth products, and nothing has ever seemed to work besides this one. It's pretty good, but the loose charcoal gave me more immediate whitening than the kit. 30 meters is a really long time to have the guards and light in your mouth. Didn't like that the blue light stayed on well the first time, but likes to fall off thereafter. Tried it for 10 days. It does whiten your teeth, but it doesn't do a great job. This honestly has made such a difference, and it has been so great to have it on hand. This whitening system is very simple, and way less messy than strips, or some of the other trays. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and leave your comments below.